Okay, this is a tutorial for short-term investments. Now, short-term investments typically are cards that will ask you to pick up maybe 20 to 25 of, and will ask you to hold them for a couple of days. So maybe 24 hours to 72 hours is what we determine short-term investments as. Typically, again, we'll put a tip in here, so it will be the English flag, Phil Foden, 79 rated, so that's telling you which card it is. And we're telling you to bid from anywhere between 750 to 900. I mean, if you can get them for 700, 650, I mean, feel free to, but usually what we're guiding as will be the bidding price. So then you mass bid on this card, and then you'll hold until we say so. Typically though, it's best to check for yourself as well regularly, probably after about 24 hours, as that's when we expect the price to rise. We've said that he's going to rise to about 1,500 is our prediction. However, he could rise above that, and if he hasn't risen to that point by 24 hours, we'll probably keep it for another couple of days just to see where it's at. And we also direct you to this website here, which allows you to calculate your buying price and your selling price and the profits. So we picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Fodens. We did this for an example. As you can see, 700 is bought there. We're actually going to list them now for their lowest buying price. So if we look here, Phil Foden, 1,800. So he's at, you could sell for 1,800, but for the sake of the tutorial, we're going to sell for the lowest buyer's price, which is 1,700. There are actually none listed right now. So I'm going to go ahead and sell these. The Champions League cards I typically list for 100 coins more, just because they typically go for a little bit more, but for the gold cards, just list as the example there. It's only been a couple of minutes and already 2 have sold. I also did clear by accident a Champions League card, Foden, that sold. So this is a clear, proven method. Now if we look at our profits, we bought at 750 was the average price. Some of them I bought for 800, some of them I bought for just under 700, as there was quite high supply last night. Now we sold at 1,700 as an average as well, so that means at 865 coins per card after tax. Now if we did that 25 times, we'd look at 21,625 coins in total. Which is quite obviously a nice little profit just for bidding on a couple players. Again, usually these sell quite quickly after being listed, and we won't ask you to hold on them for too long. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that if you are holding quite a few players, maybe 30-40 Fodens, it's probably not best to list all 30 and 40 at the same time, as you don't want to flood the market and cause the price to decrease. However, as we only had about 10 there, I think it was, we just listed all at the same time.